Creating short, snackable clips from long-form video used to feel like a never-ending, exhausting chore. I've spent countless hours manually chopping up webinars, podcasts, and course footage into social media content. Thankfully, there is a powerful AI tool that handles all the heavy lifting for you automatically. You simply upload your long video, and the system instantly generates a library of ready-to-post clips. It even builds out a complete content calendar to help you organize and schedule everything. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how the platform Vizard works in a real-world scenario. I have a project for my team next week that requires a week's worth of clips from a recent 90-minute webinar. Instead of hiring an outside editor or wasting my nights doing it myself, I am using this AI tool. I will show you how fast the processing is and some of the smarter features that save you time long-term. First, just head to the website and sign up for an account to get started. There is a free plan available, which is perfect for testing out the core functionality. Once you are logged in, simply click on New Project and upload your long-form video file. It only takes a moment to process because the system automatically transcribes and analyzes the entire video. The AI is smart enough to identify high engagement moments based on audio spikes, laughs, and key visual shifts. Almost immediately, you will see a batch of perfectly trimmed, high-performing clips. On the left sidebar, you get a list of suggestions tailored for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Every single clip comes pre-captioned, trimmed, and even includes a suggested thumbnail image. Of course, you do not have to accept the AI suggestions blindly. You can easily click into any clip to adjust the trim points or edit the auto-generated captions. If you need a stronger hook, simply move the start point forward or add a short intro. Merging two separate moments into one clip is also just a couple of clicks away. There are plenty of customization options for your branding, fonts, and colors as well. I keep a brand kit saved, so applying my logo is always just a single click. If you're used to designing thumbnails from scratch, this will feel like absolute magic. One of my favorite features is the viral clips mode that prioritizes emotional peaks. Instead of just cutting by time, it looks for speech patterns that create compelling hooks. It found a 20-second mic drop moment that I would have definitely missed if I were editing manually. Once you have cleaned up your clips, you have several options for distribution. You can export the files directly or use the auto-schedule feature to queue them up. The AI even suggests posting times to maximize your engagement across different platforms. The content calendar is where everything comes together in a clean, visual view. You can easily drag and drop clips to shift your posting dates around. For teams, this is fantastic because marketing can approve weeks of content in one pass. Captions and translations are also handled incredibly well by the system. I have used this to create foreign language captions for my international audience without breaking a sweat. Integrations allow you to connect to TikTok, YouTube, and other scheduling tools seamlessly. You can even push content directly to social schedulers like Later or Buffer. There are advanced touches like bulk applying templates, so all your clips stay consistent. If you forgot to add something during the initial edit, you can always go back and make changes. Comparing this to other tools, it really closes the gap between clip generation and scheduling. It means fewer tools, fewer exports, and way less context switching in your day. Price is another factor, and the free tier here is honestly great for trying it out. If you need more exports or team features, the paid tiers scale perfectly with your growth. Sharing the project with your team is flexible and super easy to manage. You can even publish a public review link so clients can comment directly on specific clips. Consistency is key, and the brand kit prevents junior members from changing fonts or colors accidentally. Finally, the analytics dashboard shows you exactly which hooks and topics are performing best. The AI actually learns from your best pieces and improves future suggestions automatically. To recap, you just upload, let the AI generate clips, tweak them, and then schedule them out. It takes 90 minutes of footage and turns it into a full week of ready-to-post content. If you're still manually editing everything, you should really give this a spin. Try the free tier today and see how many solid clips the AI finds in your latest webinar. I think you will be genuinely surprised by just how much time you end up saving. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.